Hi fellow traders, I'm going to talk about impact of US Treasury decision today. They are increasing the bond buyback program per operation from $2 billion to $4 billion, which is now considered in the market as some sort of mini QE, quantitative easing. In simpler terms, it's a money supply which negatively impacted US dollar and dollar index started falling. But we are going to understand whether this impact is going to sustain and going to be a trend changer or not. So in order to understand the trend changer, we have to understand how this decision is going to impact the overall economy. Even though it is considered money supply temporarily causing fall in US dollar index, actually it is in longer term going to make US bonds much safer and US economy much more stable, which in longer term will attract foreign investors. When I say foreign investor for US bonds, it is about foreign institutional investors. So if foreign institutional investors will start investing in US bonds, they will have to first buy US dollar. And if they will buy US dollar, it means they will sell their own currency of their country to buy US dollar in order to invest in US bonds, which will of course increase the dollar index in longer term. That's why this news may be temporarily affecting US dollar negatively, but it's not gonna keep affecting US dollar negatively in longer term. That's why we have exited from the positions against US dollar today. There was another reason why we exited, because we didn't want to pay negative swaps, which otherwise would be applicable on the positions carried forward to the next day. So this may impact the fall in such a way that there will be an upward retracement in the later US session today, which will give the opportunity to trade the same news tomorrow to those countries which are closed now, where market is closed now, for example, New Zealand, Australia, China, all Asian markets. So there may be another swing down tomorrow in Asian session. However, that will be totally priced in, and the news will be considered totally priced in before beginning of the London session. Therefore, we have exited already, and we probably will be looking for fresh trading opportunity tomorrow in London session. That's all in short about US Treasury decision impact in the Forex market. Thanks for watching.